My back is so itchy. I just want to roll in the sand. Feel the nature around me. I'm a dog who loves nature, sunshine, wind, and sand. This is perfect.
I'm searching for treasure on the beach. There must be treasure hidden in the sand. I'm going to become a rich dog.
What?
I looked for treasure, but found none. Turns out I'm the treasure itself.
What?
Is anyone looking for me? Got to run.
I'm swimming. I'm a professional swimming dog. I'm about to dive into the ocean. Don't stop me. Oh, the beach. I love it so much. I could run here all day. I love the beach. And the beach loves me too. I'm going swimming in the ocean. I'm going to dive into the water. Oh, don't stop me.